Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save files in Google Drive. It's really simple and easy. Let's say that you want to save a file from a shared Google Drive link. The first thing you need to do is you make a new folder. Just left click on it and then you can tap on this new and then new folder. This is only a sample, and from here we are just going to look for the desired files to be saved. Let's say that we are going to use this one here. We are going to save this one right here. Just simply download it. First thing, you have to download that file and then come to your folder. So imagine this is only a shared file and we don't own this Google Drive link or file. We are going to go back to our folder we just made, and from the save file that we did, we are just going to upload it here, and this file is uploaded now in our folder. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to save files in Google Drive folder. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.